Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain the basic Spark SQL in Databricks. I'll create a table in Databricks from the data sets which are already present in Databricks. Those are the sample data sets. Let me go to the community edition of Databricks. I have already connected to the community edition of Databricks. I'll create a notebook. So for that, click on Create Notebook. I'll provide a name, Sample Notebook. First, I'll create a table. Let me go to the PPT. So this one, let's run this. As you can see, if I mention percentage MD, you'll see this will be changed to markdown. After that, whatever I type, it will be used as a comment. Yeah, you can see here Databricks basics demo. Let me create another cell. Let me paste it. So first, what I am doing is using the drop table if exist colleges. So this is the table which I'm going to create. So before that, I am dropping if it is already present. So drop table if exist college. Then I'm creating the table, create table colleges using CSV because I'm uh, using a CSV file. So using CSV and options. In options, I am using the path, and this is the path where the file is already present. So these are the sample files which are provided by Databricks. Then once the table is created, I'll use this command to see the table. Now run it. So how to run it? You need to click shift and enter. Some error is there. Let me see what is that. Syntax error at this. Okay. CSV options. This and this. Yeah. So I had mentioned double quotes. It should be single quotes. So now you can see the table has been created, and we use the command that describe the table name. Could see these are the fields C0, C1, C2, C3, C4. But the actual column names are not visible as we have not mentioned the header. Let's go to the PPT. Yeah, then run this query to see what data is there. Yeah, you can see records are already present in the table, but column names are not coming. I have to run this entire query again. Again, I am dropping the table if it is already present. I'm creating the table. Now the extra option is here. It's a header to header true means if any fields are there, that will be considered as a header. Now let me run it. So shift enter. Single quote. Now you can see the column names are visible. So the table has been created with the column names. But if you see one other option here, the field data types are all are string as it's a CSV file. That's why all fields data type as string. So the next option. If you see here, I have added another condition in for schema true. It means based on the data type, based on the data type will be updated here in the table. So let's run this. Save, enter. Yeah, you can see date, data type as date, state as string, country as string, and cases as integer. It's an integer data type. But if you see, previously we did not use that infer schema equal to true. That's why all fields were there as string data type. Let's go to the next PPT. So, okay, now let's run the query to see the data. Yeah, now we can see the field names are present in the table. Date, state, country, city, date. You can see the value as date. Similarly, this ID, the value is ID. Right? Then I can use some other functions from SQL. The Spark SQL is exactly similar like the normal ANSI SQL. If you want to use any other function that you can use here, like if I want to use the count or to get the count, then I can use this query. Then we will get these values like this. Then the next option to show the tables, to list the tables. Um, so double hyphen is used to comment out. Then percentage SQL that is not required because here anyhow we are using this SQL. So show tables, it will show what all tables are present. Yeah, you can see there are two tables present in this default database. So whenever we do not provide any schema name, so by default it will be created in the default database. If you go there in catalog, go to default, you can see the college table has been created in the default schema. So in this case, in this way, you can create a table from a data set in Databricks using the Spark SQL syntax. This is very easy to learn and very easy to work on this Spark SQL. Thank you.